Hey, what's up, guys? It's George, and I had an interesting conversation earlier today with one of my coaching clients, and he said it was okay if I shared this situation because it's a good learning experience. And we'll just say that my coaching client's name is Bob, um, and. Um, and he's had great success, been building his business, and he's developed a client base, and he's real upset because he lost one of his valuable customers, his clients, and he was upset about it because his customer called him up, called Bob up, and Bob just wasn't in the best of moods at the time, and his customer wasn't in the best of mood, and they just clashed. The communication just kind of clashed, and long story short, the customer ended up firing Bob, and so as decided he was going to bring his business elsewhere from now on. And Bob's real upset about this, that he lost a valuable customer, a client. And so I wanted to share about this because this can really hurt when it happens, and I've had that happen plenty times over the years where I've lost valuable clients, and sometimes I fired them, sometimes my clients fired me, just whatever. When you're in business, things happen. And this is something that I remember one of my mentors, one of my coaches, who taught me years ago, and he said that an entrepreneur always creates more. That you got to be, things are always going to happen. You're going to lose customers. You can't make everybody happy all the time. Things are going to happen. Every once in a while, you're going to ruffle someone's feathers. You're going to lose a customer. It's just part of being human. We're all going to have our bad days, our off days. Some of you guys watching my channel might now like me, and then one day I might do a video, say the wrong thing, and then you unsubscribe and never listen to one of my videos again. That's life. That just happens. But an entrepreneur always creates more. You are the hand that holds the straw and stirs the cocktail of your drink. You stir the cocktail of your own success. Not one customer, you can't let one customer make or break your business. That's the mentality you got to have, that an entrepreneur always creates more. You can't rely, not one customer is going to make or break your business. You got to always be generating new business, new customers. That's why I'm always putting out new content on my YouTube videos. I'm always consistently putting out new content because, I know an entrepreneur always creates more. You're not going to win tomorrow's games off of yesterday's home runs. I could have a graveyard in my backyard with all the clients and customers that I've had over the year that have come and gone. It's just part of being in business. But something that I've learned is that an entrepreneur always creates more. One customer is not going to make or break your business. Just go out there, and instead of focusing on what you lost, focus on what you gain. That's why when you're driving in the car, the rear view mirror is real small, because it's more important for you to be focused into the future and where you are going than it is to be focused on what's behind you. Yes, it is important to see what's behind you because we can learn from our history. Just like you're driving, you can learn from what's behind you, but it's more important to be focused on the future and where you're going. So just remember that, guys. Don't be upset if you lost a customer, lost a client. You don't beat yourself up over it. Learn from it. Yeah, it happens. I've done it too. I've said the wrong things, ticked people off, lost customers, lost clients. It's just life. But an entrepreneur always creates more, and not one customer is ever going to make or break your business, because you are the hand that holds the straw that stirs the success of the cocktail of your life. All right? So guys, keep going out there, crushing it, making things happen. Till next time, let's make it a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life.